Hello everyone, this is Sam from DATEC Studios. In this quick introduction, I want to show you how to rename objects in the scene. However, as you know, in 3D Studio Max, we could have similar name, exact name. For example, you could change all these boxes the same name box, but to change the group of objects, you could select them. In the Scene Explorer, you could right click and choose rename, or as I mentioned in previous video, press X to bring global search and write rename objects or rename, or go to tools menu and rename objects. It is very simple. We have rename objects dialog box. Select it, or you could pick one. No, we already selected. So base name, for instance, I said box. Prefix, it is add before this name. I said something like my underline. You could remove any digit if already exists. And suffix, after that, my box, for example, I just do as practice, blue underscore. And you could remove if there is any digits. And numbered, start from 1, each step 1 2 3 or 2 4 6 8, something like that. So my boxes will rename to my underline box. Allow me to add another underscore here, underscore blue underscore and numbered. Check here and I will rename. See, sorry, I didn't enable prefix. Enable prefix and rename. See, my underscore box underscore blue underscore 6. It is very great tool to organize your scenes, especially when you're working professionally, and it is not good at all to have default names for your objects, something like box 5, box 6, etc. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos, and if you have any question, comment below this video.